Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into diabetes, a condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. When you eat, your body breaks down food into glucose, your cell's main fuel. Insulin, a hormone, acts as the key that lets glucose into your cells. In diabetes, this system breaks down. Either your body doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it well. This causes glucose to build up in your blood, which over time can damage your heart, kidneys, eyes, and nerves. Diabetes isn't just one disease, there are different types, each with unique causes and treatments. The most common are type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Both lead to high blood sugar, but for very different reasons. Knowing which type you have is crucial for proper management. And let's clear up a myth. Diabetes isn't just about eating too much sugar. Diet matters, especially for type 2, but genetics, your immune system, and lifestyle all play a role. It's a medical condition, not a personal failing. By understanding the science, we can remove the stigma and focus on what matters, managing risks and living healthier. Let's look closer at the different types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease. Your immune system destroys the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas. This usually starts in childhood or young adulthood and isn't caused by diet or lifestyle. People with type 1 need daily insulin to survive, delivered by injection or pump. Managing it means constant monitoring and balancing insulin, food, and activity. Type 2 diabetes is much more common. Here, your body's cells become resistant to insulin, so your pancreas works overtime until it can't keep up. This form develops gradually, often in adults, but is now seen in younger people due to rising obesity and inactivity. The good news? Type 2 can often be prevented or delayed with healthy choices. Both types result in high blood sugar, but the causes and treatments are different. Understanding these differences is key to effective management. Next, let's see how insulin is supposed to work in a healthy body. 12. Imagine you eat a meal. Your body breaks it down into glucose, raising your blood sugar. Your pancreas releases insulin, which acts like a key, unlocking your cells so glucose can enter and provide energy. Any extra glucose is stored in your liver and muscles for later. Between meals, another hormone, glucagon, tells your liver to release stored glucose to keep your blood sugar steady. In a healthy body, this system keeps your energy stable and your blood sugar in a safe range. Diabetes disrupts this balance. Either the insulin key is missing or the cell locks don't work. That's why blood sugar rises and complications can develop. Next, let's unpack what actually causes diabetes. 9. A common myth is that eating sugar directly causes diabetes. That's not true. For type 2, the real issue is insulin resistance, often linked to obesity and inactivity, not sugar alone. Excess calories from any source can lead to weight gain, which increases risk. Type 1 is different. It's an autoimmune condition, likely triggered by genetics and possibly environmental factors like viruses. Family history raises your risk for both types, but most with type 1 have no family history. For type 2, risk also rises with age, certain ethnic backgrounds, and conditions like high blood pressure or PCOS. Lifestyle choices, diet, exercise, weight, play a big role in type 2 risk. It's a complex web of genetics, environment, and lifestyle, not a single cause. Understanding your risk factors is the first step to prevention. 10. The best news: type 2 diabetes is often preventable. You can't change your genes, but you can control your lifestyle. Losing just 5 to 7% of your body weight can make a big difference. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise a week. Walking, biking, or dancing all count. Exercise helps your body use insulin better and keeps your weight in check. Eat a balanced diet, lots of vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and less processed food and sugary drinks. Small, consistent changes add up. Talk to your doctor about your risk and get screened if you're concerned. If you have prediabetes, it's a warning sign and a chance to turn things around. Managing or preventing diabetes is a journey of small steps toward a healthier life. You have the power to protect your health.